Dictionaries are immensely important for every learner to explore the disabled words. Nowadays, we are accustomed to search word online. In this video, I'll be sharing best online dictionaries that you need to use for learning English. So, coming up, there are so many online dictionaries are available in any search engine. So, among them, I will be sharing best online dictionaries, academic or PCL purpose. The dictionary is highly appreciated. Now I'm going to talk about Cambridge English Dictionary. Dictionary has significant three features. The most important three features are dictionary, translation, as well as grammar that really you need to have to explore a lot more things. This is the dictionary which is unable to support over 20 languages. Interestingly, it has two types of pronunciation, either American or British. You can compare the pronunciation, just click on the audio of American English or British English. If you are interested to explore British English or American English, this is the dictionary for you. Cambridge Dictionary has a lot more explanation. Another significant thing is that the dictionary has phrasal verbs, synonyms, word tracers, idioms, as well as so many information that you need. Let's talk about Google Dictionary. Nowadays, it's mostly popular because a lot of you are using Google search engine. So those who are using Google search engine, this is the dictionary for you. You can easily get the word just clicking on Google or asking on Google. So Google will instantly recommend you the words, the synonyms, the sentence explanation, the antonyms, even the origin of the words. Google Dictionary has audio pronunciation that you need to have. It has grammatical forms. It also has feature of 3/10 of grammar. There's no features of old English words. That might be your limitation to use Google Dictionary. Learners, teachers, and translators. Now I'm going to mention about the top tier features dictionary that is called Collins Dictionary. This is the dictionary which has over 4.5 billion words in English. This dictionary is one of the best dictionary among all online dictionary. Because why? It has videos, it has audio, it has pronunciation. It also suggests the other words which you require or relevant words which you require. This dictionary has auto-suggest systems that recommend to develop and improve your grammar, vocabularies, pronunciation, and a lot more. Interestingly, Collins Dictionary has videos, translators, as well as Scrabble. However, the limitation is it hasn't any urban word feature, so you might face problem if you seek for that. Now, let's talk about one of the oldest, prestigious, prominent, and most trusted dictionary, that is Oxford Learners Dictionary. This is based for students and learners. Contains British and American English. So, whatever you need, you can seek for that. Oxford Learner Dictionary has pictures, example of sentence, synonyms, antonyms, audio pronunciation. Most significantly, Oxford Dictionary is best for thesis or any researchers. Oxford Learners Dictionary has critical symbols that shows how the importance of a word or small. Oxford Learner Dictionary has word finder features that helps to build your vocabularies. On the contrary, it has complex explanation, so you might face the difficulty to understand sometimes. This is the limitation of Oxford Dictionary. 2 decades trusted by million learners. Now guess what? Now I'm talking about Dictionarycom. Dictionarycom has outstanding features. For example, audio pronunciation, synonyms, word list, slangs, phrases, source of word definition. It also contains the definitions of medical terms. Finally, this is your choice to select an online dictionary. Because of your needs, user-friendly or interface or features, you can choose any one of them I recommended. I think this video will be your immense help. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thanks for watching.